Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make mint chutney for sandwiches. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh mint leaves and half a cup of cilantro. Add 1 to 2 green chilies, a small piece of ginger, and 2 garlic cloves. Don't forget a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, a pinch of salt, and the juice of half a lemon. These fresh components are key to a vibrant chutney. Now let's get blending. Place your mint, cilantro, chilies, ginger, garlic, cumin powder, and salt into a small blender jar. Pour in the lemon juice and start with just 1 tablespoon of water. Blend until you achieve a coarse paste. If it's too thick, add water slowly, about 1 teaspoon at a time, until it reaches a smooth, spreadable consistency. Avoid over-blending to maintain freshness. It's time to perfect your chutney. Give it a taste and adjust the salt if needed. If you find it a bit too spicy, a squeeze of extra lemon juice can help balance the flavors beautifully. For a slightly thinner consistency, just add another teaspoon of water and blend briefly. The goal is a vibrant, green, smooth, and easily spreadable chutney that's bursting with fresh flavor. Your delicious mint chutney is now ready for your sandwiches. Spread a generous layer on your favorite bread. It pairs wonderfully with sliced cucumbers, tomatoes, or even grilled chicken. For storage, transfer any leftover chutney to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh and flavorful for about 3 to 5 days, ready to elevate your next sandwich creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.